Fire managers need to make quick decisions in stressful situations, managing resources to help protect the community. Over 3 years, the Bushfire Cooperative Research Centre has developed a proof-of-concept software program to help provide this information. The program is the Fire Impact and Risk Evaluation Decision Support Tool, or FireDST for short. Let's see how it could provide valuable new information for fire agencies in the future. This map from Black Saturday shows the perimeter of the Kilmore East bushfire at 7:15 p.m. The program currently used to simulate fire spread is Phoenix RapidFire. Here is where Phoenix predicted the perimeter of the fire would be at 7:15 p.m. Traditional modelling programs like this only provide one estimate of fire spread. However, major bushfires are very complex and FireDST allows for this. FireDST builds on Phoenix to create a much more advanced fire modelling program. As soon as a fire starts, FireDST can run the Phoenix simulation multiple times very quickly, adding in changes to the humidity, temperature, wind speed and direction that might occur during the day. FireDST shows the probability of the fire impacting specific areas, taking into account these variable factors. It does not reconstruct the fire after it has occurred. It helps predict the spread of a bushfire and the uncertainty in its location and consequences. Here is the same fire again, but modelled using FireDST. What makes FireDST more advanced than existing fire prediction models is that it shows the likelihood of a fire reaching different locations. Let's concentrate on the colours for a moment. The red section is the highest chance of the fire perimeter reaching that area, between 76 and 100%. The dark brown areas have a 51 to 75% chance of being burnt. The light brown section shows a 26 to 50% chance of the fire perimeter reaching that far. The yellow area shows the least chance of the fire impacting. It's possible, but less than a 25% chance. So how do we know this? To get this variability in the fire prediction modelling, the research team has studied in more detail how variations to the weather affect a fire. High-resolution models help to understand how the weather interacts with a bushfire and what effect this may have. This all means FireDST can give incident controllers much more information about the likely impact of a fire than ever before. FireDST has also enhanced existing smoke dispersion models, seen as the various shades of brown. This information can be used to monitor the air quality, helping to forecast the possible health effects of bushfire smoke on the community. FireDST can also show how many people could be impacted, as well as what buildings may be affected. New information can also be added as it comes to hand, such as forecast changes to wind speed, direction, and humidity. FireDST will reflect these changes and conditions. This prototype project has demonstrated that it is possible to incorporate uncertainty into fire prediction modelling. Such a program could provide fire agencies with far more detailed knowledge than ever before about where a fire may go and who or what it might affect. Let the Bushfire CRC know if you are interested in advancing this prototype.
The Bushfire Cooperative Research Centre. Research to drive change.